A good pair of shoes isn't just about style. It's about comfort, durability, and making a statement. If you're looking for a budget-friendly yet stylish option, the Qawwal men's flats shoes might be exactly what you need. These sneakers claim to be perfect for spring and autumn, but how do they actually hold up? Let's dive in. Before we break down the details, check out the link in the description if you want to explore these shoes yourself. Now, let's get started. Design and build quality. The first thing you'll notice about this pair is the sleek, modern design. These shoes are built with a rubber upper material, giving them a sporty yet casual look. And since they don't extend above the ankle, they offer a more breathable fit. If you're into sneakers that balance comfort and style, this might be worth considering. Now let's talk about durability. The outsole is made of rubber, which means it provides decent grip on different surfaces. However, keep in mind, these are not waterproof. If you're planning to wear them on a rainy day, you might want to think twice. Comfort and fit. A shoe can look great, but if it's not comfortable, it's not worth it. This one features an EVA insole, which adds some cushioning for daily wear. And it's designed to fit true to size, so you don't have to worry about guessing when ordering online. The lace-up closure is another plus. It allows you to adjust the tightness to your preference. However, if you're looking for extra arch support, you may need to add an insert since this model focuses more on a flat design. Performance and use. These sneakers are best suited for casual outings and light outdoor activities. If you enjoy walking, running errands, or just need something stylish for everyday wear, this could be a solid option. However, for intense workouts or rough terrains, you might need something more specialized. Also, because it lacks a metal toe cap or any reinforced structure, it's not ideal for heavy-duty use. If you're expecting hardcore durability, you might want to check other options. Features you may be looking for: stylish and modern design, EVA insole, rubber outsole, lace-up closure, breathable and lightweight. Final thoughts. The Qawwal men's flats shoes bring together style and affordability. If you need something fashionable for casual wear, this is a great pick. However, if you're looking for heavy-duty performance or all-weather protection, this may not be your best bet. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell.